Are you a Microsoft Word user? Do you normally insert mathematical or scientific symbols into your Word document? Then I want to share some simple symbols with you, which is going to help you to manipulate your document when it comes to dealing with symbols and also other characters that can improve your Word document. So in this case, let's quickly jump into this Word document and let me share with you these symbols. I'm going to move to a different section and then maximize this area. I'm going to increase the font size so that we can see whatever we want to do here. Now the first symbol is, and to get the symbols, we are going to use some figures and some keyboard shortcut to manipulate that. So the first one is to type 03BC. Now when you type this, just hold the Alt key and the letter X on the keyboard, and this provides you with this particular special character. The next one is the ohms symbol, and to get this we are going to use 03A9, and when you hold the Alt key and the letter X, you get this particular symbol. We are going to the next one, the beta symbol. You type 03B2 Alt X, you have the beta symbol. We are going for the alpha symbol, 03B1 Alt X, you have the alpha symbol. Let me add additional symbol, the pi symbol. You have the 03C0 Alt X, you get this particular symbols. The next one is 03B3 Alt X, and we have the last one, which is the summation symbol. You have 03A3 Alt X. So these are special symbols or special characters I want to share with you in this particular video. Please like, share, comment, and also if you have any further question, you can drop that in the comment section and we are ready to reply you. Thank you for being part of this video and watching to the end. See you in the next one.